Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today in this video you are going to learn that how you can use Grok AI for finding out the trending topics within your niche so that you can create blog posts, videos or the social media posts so that you can get high reach in just a few seconds. Okay, so first of all let's open Grok AI. So the link to access this AI is grok.com. So I'll open this website. Here you also going to need to create an account so that you can use this AI website on its maximum features. Okay, so that's the main layout of this AI. Okay, from here you can sign up. Okay, so let's say we have our niche is about medical equipments. Let's find out the trending topics in the medical equipments. Find me trending topics within the niche on like you can say within the niche on medical equipments based in United States of America with pricing above than $1,000. Okay, so now it will find us the trending topics within the niche on medical equipments based in United States of America with pricing above than 1,000. Let's search for it. So I have given it the command and now it has started thinking about the request. It will take just a few seconds for getting the data, then it will present it above us. Okay, so it looks like above than 1,000 is meant to be above 1,000, so we are targeting high-end equipments. So it has started finding out the best trending topics for us. Let's wait for more few seconds. So finally it has given us the results and it has thought for 35 seconds for collecting all the data. So the best trending topics include AI powered surgical robotics and instruments, and it has also provided some description, user relevance, as well as pricing insights so that you can make the best of your decision. Okay, and the next one, the topic that it has suggested is about advanced organ preservation and transplant devices. Okay, so the third one is AI integrated diagnostic and imaging equipment. So it has provided all the insights about the medical equipment that are trending right now. So if we make a paid post or we sell something on this niche, we will get offshore, we will get good results. So that's all about AI, Grok AI, like how you can use it for finding out the best trending topics within your niche. I hope you like the video. Please make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.